everyone. We are the group number 6 called Los Super Microfantásticos. Today we are going to explain you about income and substitute effects for perfect goods. Calculate by Slutsky equation when the price of one of the goods goes up. But first, we have to know which is the Slutsky equation. This equation says that the total effect is equal rental effect plus substitute effect, where the total effect shows how much the consumption of a good varies due to a chain of. It's normal that at the first time you cannot understand the last concept, but don't worry, let me explain you with a simple example. So let's start. The example says this. My friend Canela goes to Claudia's store because she wants to buy gummies. She got a $30 budget to buy the gummies. Canela likes to buy gummies covered by chocolate, either white or black. The letter B defines how many gummies covered by black chocolate she gets, while the letter W represents how many gummies covered by white chocolate she gets. If when Canela gets to the store, she comproves that candies with black chocolate price is 5 and white chocolate are $3 each. Canela prefers black chocolate instead of white chocolate. Utility function is given by 5b plus 8w. Some other day, Canela goes to the same market with the same budget, $30. But she finds out that Claudia raised chocolate gummies price from $5 to $10. Because of the increase of price, Canela wants to know what is the variation of the quantity consumed of the product that had a price increase. To develop the exercise, the first thing that we have to find is the budget line with the next equation. W is equal to the budget divided into the price of white chocolate gummies minus the price of black chocolate gummies divided into the price of white chocolate gummies multiplied by B. Replacing the values in the equation, we have our budget line, which is 10 minus 5 divided into 3 multiplied by B. The next step is find the marginal utility and the price of black chocolate gummies divided into the price of white chocolate gummies. Then compare these values. The marginal utility is 5 divided into 8, and the other is 5 divided into 3. The price of black chocolate gummies divided into the price of white chocolate gummies is measured at the marginal utility. This means that the line is super, so we maximize it at W. Then our optimal consumption bundle is 0.10. In a minute, I am going to show you this on the graph. Knowing our optimal consumption bundle, the next step is find the optimal utility from the first moment of our exercise. For this, we replace 0.10 in the utility function, and the result is $80. Here, pay attention at the blue line. This is the initial budget line. Here is the tabulation of this function. Now, pay attention at the pink line. This is our optimal utility. To find this function, I equalize the optimal utility with the utility function. After, I clear W. Here is the tabulation of this function. In the second moment of the exercise, the price of B goes up to $10. We have to do the same as in the first moment. Compare the marginal utility with the new price of black chocolate, divide into the price of white chocolate gummies. The result of this is then divided into 3 is measured to 5 divided into 8. So we maximize at W. On the graph, this point is 0.10 here. Also, we have to find the final budget, the budget line, with the new price. Here is the function and the tabulation of this green line. At that point, Slutsky tells us that we must draw a middle budget line. This line must be parallel to the final budget line. So, on that way, it crosses by initial optimal consumption bundle. To see our graphic, the only one option which fulfills with this is the final budget line. It means that the final budget line is the same middle budget line. It means that we maximize in W again. In this case, the total effect is 0 because the consumption of good B doesn't not change with the price increase. This happened because we always maximize in W. So the substitute effect is 0 and the rent effect is 0. It's all for today. Thank you. Bye.